Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You, and I am in an unboxing marathon. And here I have a new monthly subscription box. It's called the Celebration Company, and this is actually a project box, I guess you could say. It is custom DIY home decor with a unique 3D twist. The DIY Decor Box subscription, established in 2023. So let me open. Okay, so it says, thanks, DIY darlings. Thank you so much for your purchase. We're truly honored to have a place in your creative journey. Your support means the world to us, and it allows us to continue doing what we love, helping others find joy through crafting and meaningful decor. So inside this box, you will find everything you need to create something beautiful. But it's not just about the supplies. It's about taking a moment for yourself, tapping into your creativity, and making a piece that feels uniquely you. Kayla will guide you step by step through each part of the project, making it easy to follow, fun to do, and inspiring from start to finish. Whether you're brand new to DIY or a seasoned maker, we hope this kit brings you delight and a touch of handmade charm for your home. All right, so it says, yay, from our hearts to your hands. Thank you for crafting with us. I am putting the price of the box right here. Now, what do we have in here? Well, we've got a cute little sticker. We have got this that I'm not 100% sure what it is. We're going to open it right now. Let's see, what is this? Oh, this is a prayer card, peace, and it has a prayer on it. That's nice. All right, so we have got instructions, and we are making a soap station. Now, this box has been here already for a while because I've been out of town. So what she does is she does a, how do you go here? Okay, so she does a live tutorial, but I'm pretty sure that you can go back and watch it as well, which is what I'll do, because her tutorial, it looks like it happened November 20th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the Darling Circle. So this is the 22nd, so I will go back and watch it. But all right, so hold up a second. Okay, so one thing it says on the card here, when I read this, I thought to myself, I don't think that's accurate, but okay. So it says everything you need, you'll find everything you need to create something beautiful inside this box. I didn't think that was true, because when I got this box, I thought it was stated that a lot of the items that you would need for this you already have at home. Now that should be said of crafters, not so much me. So I made note of that, and I was okay with that. So when I just read that, that kind of confused me, because you get this pamphlet, and it tells you what's the included supply. So we've got a tray, canvas bag with 4 feet, soap dispenser, dish brush, 2 labels, and a Decor Art Duraclear gloss. But then it also, also says other supplies needed. Deco Art Warm White, Deco Art Neutral Gray, Deco Art Raw Umber, which is optional, Deco Art Ebony, optional, paint brushes, fine detail brushes, and larger brushes like a 1-inch, super glue, heat tool optional, paper towel, surface protectant, and dish soap or hand soap for the dispenser. So my assumption is going to be for the other supplies needed, well, everyone's going to need their own soap. Surface protectant, paper towel, that makes sense. Heat tool, it says it's optional. Super glue, a lot of us have super glue. Now, the paint brushes, I'm going to make the assumption those are needed if you want to do additional painting. They've given us a clear gloss. So when we open this up, a clear gloss might be all you need. It's just maybe if you want to go a different color, because they did say you could make this your own style. Maybe that's what that means. So let's open up and see. Now look how cute that is. Let me pull it up here. That's very cute. Because where my mind is going is, could this be a Christmas gift for somebody that likes DIY? Could very well be. All right. So we've got a hand soap sticker. I'm assuming this goes on the bottle. And we got an amber. It is a plastic bottle, but an amber bottle. So I'm assuming that is there. Then we got another, this is the dish soap sticker. And we got another amber plastic bottle. So I'm assuming that's that. Then we got brush. So we're making a, what did they call this again? A soap station. I'm loving it already. All right, we got the DuraClean Gloss Varnish. We got this right here. Are these the feet? Yes. So these are the little feet. We got 4 of them. So we put them back in here. Okay. And then we got the actual dispenser. Or not the dispenser, the tray. Now, what is very unique about these, I believe she prints these all, because this, oh gosh, what is this called? Oh gosh, I can't remember what it's called now. It's not plastic, but it is a certain type of material. It's very, very lightweight. That's why I think she probably can do this affordably, but I believe she 3D prints these as well. I'm pretty sure she does. But look how cute that is. So if the clear finish, I believe, I'm pretty sure, I mean, I haven't watched the video, but this is a gloss varnish, polyurethane gloss varnish. So my assumption is that if you want to keep it white and you don't want to buy any other color, again, I haven't watched the video yet, but I'm assuming this seals it, and those little footers. So, I'm assuming you don't need anything else, because it says this is durable, glossy, non-yellowing finish. Directions: shake gently, apply with a flat brush, and allow to dry to the touch before adding additional coats. Indoor, outdoor, water-based, permanent soap and water cleanup. For additional product and information and products, visit, and then it gives the website. So I guess you'll need a brush. And then I'm assuming the super glue is probably to attach these. So yes, I mean, it doesn't include everything at 100%, but from what I'm seeing, you probably only need super glue and a brush. So I think that's very reasonable, especially for the price of this box. It's very affordable. So there we go again. So I think this is definitely a Christmas giftable box. Love to know your thoughts. Now, as I'm unboxing this, I thought I'll have to go back and look because for some reason I thought when I placed this order initially, I had ordered some extra supplies, but maybe I talked myself out of it um, to see if I could get them cheaper at Hobby Lobby. I can't remember 100%. Um, but I'm excited to try this. This is going to be something I'm going to be actually doing this week over the Thanksgiving holiday. So what am I doing now? I'm looking around because I do have other boxes. And I'm trying to see what of these would be a good second box to unbox. But before I do that, because I'm getting sidetracked by all my boxes, let's, here's the station. Now, oh goodness, I'm spilling things. All right, so the station, both these bottles fit on, but both the bottles plus the brush do not fit on together. So you could make this straight up a dish soap one where it's the dish soap, the brush, and maybe a sponge. Or you could do this dish soap and the hand soap, or you could do the hand soap and the sponge. Multiple ways in which you could do it. You could do this you could have this in the bathroom, you could have this in the kitchen, you could have this in the laundry room. I'm super happy with it. And I love affordable DIY projects, and this is super affordable. So I'm just gonna wrap up the video, you guys, with this one. And let me know in the comments, what do you guys think of this box? I mean, it's a really good giftable subscription box for a lover of DIY. Check it out. All right, guys. Thank you for spending time with me. I hope all is going well, and talk to you guys later. Bye, everyone.